Today we're at Jerry's work and we're working on Jose's 240. Not sure if I'd updated a video. Oh shit. Oh shit. So yeah, I'm not sure if we got the video up of Jose getting a 240, but Jose got a 240 now. That is the 240. I'm gonna go back over here because it's a little bit quieter. But yeah, that's the 240. You got basically what they're doing right now is just messing with the exhaust. He's going to basically be drifting this like a drift project car / daily. Just something so he don't have to drive his truck around a lot. But that's his little 240. And right now they are basically just chopping the back part of the exhaust off and putting a muffler on because he's still with his parents and everything like that, and he doesn't want an obnoxiously loud car like what me and Jerry have with like straight pipes and everything, like blast pipes and all. So I got an old exhaust muffler thing that I got off eBay like a long time ago, and he's just gonna throw that on there. So that's what the whole gist of this video is. We're just chilling at the shop. It's Sunday night, and we're putting the exhaust on the 240. Yo. The song you're talking about?
God damn it. Sailing down. We're gonna shoot this motherfucker. Woo, I look right in that. Oh, huh? You're fucked up now. You're gonna be the sensation of the world. Fucking famous. Yo. Good? It's on the bottom part, you gotta break that up a little better. Where's the ladder at? Let's find out what this sounds like. Yeah, crank that bitch up. Alright you guys, so they finished the exhaust for the most part. It's just that little eBay muffler that I was talking about earlier. But yeah, I'd say it looks a lot better than before. There was no exhaust right there, it was just like cut off basically. And it was just like hanging on the ground and scraping on everything. It sounded horrible. It's still probably going to sound pretty horrible. It's gonna sound ricey.
Yeah, most likely. We call Jose's car the elephant because whenever it gets high RPMs, it just fucking sounds like an elephant. So, yeah. We gotta start it up and back it up out, I guess. Sounds better just idling.
I know. Better than nothing. Judging by the exhaust, I don't think it came turbo.
I want to see you fucking get sideways too.
I know. I want to see your big ass get wrecked. What car that thing got? Nothing.
It sounds so much better. Did he hit the curb?
Yeah.
Damn, Jose.
Told you. No bueno.
At least he tried, bro. I like how he listens to me when I say get sideways. Such a dumbass.
Alright, you guys, so that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Probably a little edit, but I guess I'll see you guys next time, so stay tuned, you guys.
She makes me mad.